On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat camera. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager like this. On this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is just wait a few seconds like this and then search for Snapchat like this. And now click on Snapchat, click on force stop, and after that go to the permissions, make sure to enable all the permissions, go back, click on the storage, and now right here click on clear data and click on delete. Go back again, click on the power usage details, make sure to enable the power consumption alert, and the last thing you want to do is make sure to update your Snapchat in the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.